Hi friends, this is Ravi from Filmshoppee Car Facelift Studio. Black color is the favorite color in the car, but unfortunately used car don't comes with the choices. So this video is for you. So everyone is fond of black color, but used car don't come with the desired color. Fine. And to repaint the car, there is lot of time involved, there is lot of skill involved, and resale value also goes down somewhere. So in this video we are showing how we have turned the white color car to black color without damaging the original paint and without damaging the original print from inside also and from outside also. And there are several colors to choose. There is the option to choose several colors where you don't have to compromise with your original with the color which you have in the used car. The benefit of this exterior PPF which we have done in this video is it is more gloss than the paint. It is less time taking. It is a self-filling feature involved. Means if you if you clean the car और जो कार के जो भी स्क्रैचेस है वो स्क्रैचेस को भी ये ऑटो हील कर देता है विद द सन रेज और विद द हॉट वाटर. So these are the major benefit, and the gloss effect is also ultimate. You will check in our complete video, and check our video how we have executed this work, how we have done the PPF, how it looks finally, and we are trying to show you everything. We are facing problem from the door jambs. दरवाजे खुलने के बाद जो अंदर का पार्ट है और जो डोर पार्ट है वहाँ पे we are facing problem. What to install PPF or to install vinyl wrap. What to install, we were confused. We have tried, but we were not getting exact finishing which we want. So this time we have done a peelable paint from the door jambs and from the doors. So peelable paint की खासियत या it comes with that get remove whenever we want. जब भी हमको इसको remove करना होगा तो ये remove हो सकता है. This is the best feature which comes in peelable paint. So from door jambs and from the boot space, from the on the door pads, on the door sides, we have done peelable paint. So check how we have executed our peelable paint and how gracefully it has been done and how nice it looks.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
Finally, the project has been completed. We are satisfied, our team is satisfied, even client is also satisfied. Color plays important role for exterior look. Give your car desired color without damaging original paint. If you like this video, do share with the car lovers. Also, subscribe our channel for latest updates. Thank you.
Filmshoppee Car Facelift Studio.